Children, if you are liking my videos, then please subscribe to my channel. Today's video is in the continuation to my previous video on singular and plural. And I'm going to share the link from my previous video along with this video. Now, let me start. In my previous video, I told you that the very simple naming words can be converted to plural words by just adding s to them. As cat will become cats by adding s, pen, pens, pencil, pencils. And I told you about the es, that how es is added to singular naming words and they are converted into the plural ones. Now the topic is singular and plural. Now I am going to take the other three rules for converting a singular noun to a plural noun. So let me start. The first rule for the day is that the words that end with y, then y is removed and ies is added to them to make them the plural one. That after I am writing it for you, the singular words ending with y are converted to plural words by adding ies. So now let me take examples. As baby, simple, I have to remove y from here and I have to add ies. So it will become babies. I have removed y and I have added ies. So it has become a plural noun. Next, lady. Again, I have to remove y from here and I will add ies. So it will become ladies. Now cherry will become cherries. Simple, ies. Remove y and add ies to make a singular naming word to the plural one. Now let me take a few more examples for you. I am taking for y only. Berry, it will become berries. Simple, I have added ies. Now puppy will become puppies. Candy, simple, I have to remove y and I will be adding ies to make it a plural naming word. Candies. I hope till here the concept is clear that simply we have to remove y, and we have to add ies. Now there are a few words that end with y, but still we will only add s to them to make them plural. As in monkey, I told you in my previous video also, but still I am repeating this concept because I did y. So y, I told you that we have to remove y and add ies, but here we will not do this. Monkey, donkey, boy, tray. Simply because before y there is a vowel. So only monkeys, donkeys, boys, trays. Only s I am adding. I am not removing y, only s, because there is a vowel. Before y there is a vowel in all these words. You can watch my previous video on singular and plural. The link I am going to share it in the description. Second rule for the day is some words that ends with f and fe. What will I do now? Simple, I will remove f and fe and I have to add ves to make a singular naming word to a plural one. Again I am telling, remove and simply add VES. VES to make it a plural naming word. So let me take examples for this. VES. Wife. Wife. It is ending with FE. Wolf. Wolf. F. It is ending with F. Knife. Now let me convert them into plural ones. FE I have to remove and I'll be adding VES. Just look here. Wives. Wives. One wife. Wives. Wolf. One wolf. Many wolves. Many wolves. Knife. One knife. Many knives. Knives. Alright. Now a few more examples for this. Leaf. Loaf. Leaf and loaf. Next is shelf. Now leaf will become leaves. Leaves. Loaf. Loaves. A loaf of bread. Loaves of bread. Shelf will become shelves. One shelf, many shelves. Simple, we have to remove F and we have to add VES. F is going to be removed and VES is going to be added. Now, the next thing I am going to explain is, I told you that the words that end with O, we have to add ES to them to make them plural. But there are a few words that ends with O, but still we are not ending ES to them. Simply we have to add S to them. Now let me write down those words for you. As piano. As you can see, it is ending with O. According to the rule, I should be adding ES to this. But no, I will simply add S to make it a plural word. Pianos. Pianos. Alright. The next word is photo. Photo. I should be adding ES, but no. Only photos. Only S I have to add. It has become a plural word. Radio. Only S I will add. Radios. So, it has become a plural word. The next is video. It will become videos. Solo. Solos. So these are the examples, a few examples that how I am adding S. It is ending at O, the words are ending at O, but still I am only adding S to them. I think the concept is clear till here. Now only irregular naming words, irregular singular words are left. That I am going to continue in the next part. The third part of the video is going to be on the irregular singular plural. So, till then, bye.